Alright, for our personal spaces we're going to talk a little bit about linking objects. So I'm going to make a quick build and I'm going to use this half sphere and it lands upside down, so that's fine with me. I'm going to my object tab. I'm going to make the size 5 meters by 5 meters by 1. So it's not very, in fact maybe I'll make it 8 meters by 8 meters by 1 deep. So that looks fine. And now I'm going to, that's my roof. I want a floor. So I'm going to hold my shift key, drag the blue arrow down. Now I have a floor. I'm going to flip it over, and to make sure I have it exactly right, I want to make sure that my x-axis is 180 degrees. There, now it's right. Now I want to change the texture on these two. I hold my shift key, click them both, because I think it's going to be the same texture. And I'm going to put night sky, because I'm going to have a kind of night sky, so it looks like it's floating in the clouds and it's a night sky. But I don't want the night sky on the inside this floor. I want a different floor. So I'm going to click select texture, click on the floor, and then hold my shift key and click on the other side of the floor so that my circle with an X is there. Now click texture again. Okay, that looks, got some tiles there. And we're going to call that good. And then I'm going to look at the top again, edit linked parts, select texture, make sure there's a circle on both sides, and I want to be able to see up like a skylight. So I'm going to do transparent, but there are two kinds of transparent. This one is a white transparent, so it looks kind of like a milky sky. Alright, all of that's good. Oh, no, that's not quite good. I want that floor to be repeated multiple times. So I'm going to select it again, holding it on my shift key, and let's say we want the texture repeated 10 times so that it looks kind of like a tiled floor. Yep, that's fine. Alright, now I'm going to select this object, use my shift key, pull up, and change this object under object to a cylinder. And it's a half cylinder, so I need to make it a whole cylinder by changing that to 1. I did it this way because now it's all the same, in the same position, lined up top to bottom. I don't have to worry about the linking. I'm going to hollow it out to 95. I'm going to change the texture. Instead of 10, I'm going to lessen it to, let's say, 5. 3 this way. Okay, 2. That's fine. Now I need to stretch my walls like that. And then on the inside, going back to position, I'm going to pull this up. I'm going to select texture, and on the inside, again, I don't want tile walls. I'm going to go for that milky transparent color, or glass. How about glass block? That looks fine. And I'm going to have the blocks maybe 3 high and 5 around. Okay, I've done enough for now. I want to link this all together. The fastest way is to go on top, put 1 in edit, hold my shift key, draw a box around them, hold my shift key. I'm having some mouse problems. Draw a box around them until they see them all linked, and then Control L, and they're linked. How do I know they're linked? If I grab it and pull, everything moves together.